Hello everyone. The video today is about 5 interesting facts about William Harvey. 1. William Harvey was a cool dude who lived way back in the 17th century. He was an English physician and is super famous for figuring out how our blood circulates in our bodies. 2. Back in the day, people thought blood just chilled in our veins and arteries. But Harvey was like, nah, it's got a rhythm. He discovered that our hearts pump blood in a circular motion, and that's what keeps us alive and kicking. 3. Harvey wasn't just into medicine. He was also tight with the king. He served as the personal physician to King James I and later to King Charles I. Imagine having a doctor who's got your back and a royal title on top of that. 4. Dude was a pioneer in dissections. Harvey did some serious hands-on research by dissecting animals and even humans. His studies helped him understand the circulatory system better, and he wasn't afraid to get his hands dirty for the sake of science. 5. Harvey was a rebel with a cause. His ideas about blood circulation were groundbreaking, but they weren't instantly popular. People were skeptical at first, but over time, his theories became the foundation for modern medicine. Imagine being the guy who changed the game. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe. See you next time.